the day of love, that is Valentine's Day, is almost here, and we are pretty sure that you must be planning something really special for your partner on this day. Well, in that case, we'll suggest you to take a trip to India's most romantic and best islands for a unique Valentine's Day experience. So in this video, we have listed down the most romantic islands of India that you should definitely visit with the love of your life. So the very first enchanting island in the list is Kerala's MUNROE Island. It's a hidden gem in Kerala's Kollam. The island is historically significant and the canals here are used for local transportation. You can have a peaceful time with your loved ones away from all the city hustle bustle. The second island is everyone's favorite LAKSHWDEEP Island, which is located in the west of Kerala coastline. You must visit the island with your partner if you want to experience the best in life. The island is a scenic honeymoon destination as well as one of India's most secluded beach destinations, which is indeed a must visit. The third island in the list is Assam's Majuli Island. Majuli is world's largest riverine island. Situated in the northern eastern state of Assam, it is known for its scenic beauty and diverse flora and fauna. You can find a variety of unique delicacies from Assam. Moving on, we have Andaman and Nicobar. This island is a popular honeymoon destination and a romantic paradise for all the lovers out there. The island offers exotic white sand beaches, rich coral reefs, and stunning natural beauty. The Andaman Islands are considered on par with international tropical destinations. Indeed, an ideal location for rejuvenation away from the city hustle bustle. So this Valentine's Day, make sure to head to these romantic islands with your partner for a blissful time. And for more such travel related content, do like and subscribe to our channel India.com.